Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. Today's video is very special because I'll be sharing a super simple and highly effective reversal and breakout strategy for pocket option. The best part? No indicators needed. This strategy is perfect for trading support and resistance levels using pure price action. I'm dedicating this video to my amazing subscribers who requested a strategy using price action and support and resistance levels trading without indicators. So, if you want to trade with confidence, watch this video till the end. Disclaimer: trading binary options involves significant financial risk, and you can lose money. Past performance does not guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Results may vary, and there is no guarantee of profit. Always trade responsibly, never risk money you can't afford to lose, and do your own research before making decisions. To use this strategy, first, find a chart where the market is moving in a zigzag pattern. Look for a strong support or resistance level where the price has previously reversed with strong momentum. Look at the chart on your screen. This is a strong support level where the price has previously bounced back. Once you've found a strong level, wait for a clear price reaction. If it's support, wait for one or two bullish candles to appear. If it's resistance, wait for one or two bearish candles to form. As you can see on the chart, a strong bullish candle has formed at the support level. This is our confirmation to enter trades. Once the confirmation candle appears, here's how you trade. Take 5 consecutive trades in the same direction as the confirmation candle. Golden rule for this strategy: if you lose one trade, keep going. If you lose 2 trades, stop immediately. Never take more than 5 trades per setup. For this strategy, the candle time frame will be of 1 minute, and the trade expiry will also be of 1 minute. The best trading time is European and New York sessions. Avoid trading 30 minutes before and 45 minutes after high or medium impact news events. Now, I've placed 5 buy trades based on this strategy. While we wait, let me answer. One of my subscribers' comment asked 2 questions. Questions 1. How long does it take to find the perfect setup? My answer is, I never rush trades. I wait as long as it takes to find the perfect setup that matches my strategy. Questions 2. How many trades do you take per day? My answer is, I aim for 10 trades per day and a maximum of 12 to 13 trades. After every 5 trades, I take a 30-minute break to stay fresh and focused. Now, let's check the results. As you can see, after the price reversed from the support level, I placed 5 consecutive buy trades. Out of 5 trades, we won 4 and lost only 1 factorial. This shows how powerful this strategy is. The key to success with this strategy is finding strong support and resistance levels. So, always analyze your charts carefully before placing trades. Test this strategy on a demo account first. Once you're confident, then use it on a real account. In the next video, I'll teach you a breakout strategy for support and resistance levels. Don't miss it. So make sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with fellow traders. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future strategies and live trading sessions. Tell me in the comments, what strategy do you want to see next? Do you have any questions about today's setup? I'll be back soon with more powerful strategies to help you trade with confidence. Stay disciplined, trade smart, and keep learning. Thanks for watching and happy trading.